Hello friends, we went to beach visit, also visited one of the landmarks in Chennai where the stalwarts of Indian politics are laid to rest. You are right, I am talking about memorials at Marina Beach where Aringnar Anna, Puratchi thalaivi M.G.R, Kalaignar Karunanidhi and Puratchi thalaivi J Jayalalithaa are laid to rest. Located at Marina Beach, the memorials serve as a respect to the great souls who have served us throughout their lifetime. I touched down in Chennai at 1982 when CM was Dr. M.G.R. Going to these memorials brought back a nostalgic feeling for me and filled my heart with so much of joy. These leaders have been an inspiration for decades to myself and people of Tamil Nadu. I can keep going on about them as the achievements are innumerable and infinite. Let us take a walk through. This is a famous place you all know very well near Marina Beach. It is quiet and well maintained and has been designed well. It is certainly a worth a visit. Nice lawns and walkways give a great ambience. Come on, friends, let us travel together and enjoy the natural beauty of that place. We went in the morning so that not much crowd, very few people are there. So it is for us to very happy to enjoy that place and take a good video at that time. Now we are entering into the M.G.R Memorial. See the architectural brilliance, beautiful environment. M.G.R was laid to rest at Marina Beach with his iconic attire and his famous Seiko watch. In the years to come, there is a myth that M.G.R's watch could be heard ticking from beyond the grave. It is quite the ritual at M.G.R Memorial to see people pressing their ears against the grave to hear the tick-tock. எப்படி இருக்குது நேச்சுரல் பியூட்டி, நீட் அண்ட் க்ளீன் பிளேஸ் இல்லை. மார்னிங் ஹவர்ஸ் போனதுனால க்ரௌடு ரொம்ப கம்மியாக இருந்தது. ஈவினிங் மேபி நிறைய க்ரௌடு வரலாம். அதனால் எங்களுக்கு காமாக உட்காந்து நல்ல வீடியோ எடுக்க முடிஞ்சது. நல்ல ஹாப்பியாக காம் அண்ட் குவைட் பிளேஸில் நல்லா உட்காந்து நல்ல ஹாப்பியாக என்ஜாய் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. சென்னை டூரிசத்தில் மெயின் அட்ராக்ஷன் பிளேஸு இது தான் மரீனா பீச்சு. ரொம்ப வேர்ல்டு ஃபேமஸ் பழைய காலத்துலேருந்து. சென்னைக்கு வந்தவங்க யாருமே இந்த பிளேஸ் பார்க்காம போகவே மாட்டாங்க. Now come on, let us go to Jayalalithaa Memorial, fondly addressed as Amma, adjacent to M.G.R Memorial. This is in the shape of a phoenix bird, elegantly constructed and very spacious to accommodate crowds also. Both sides you can see one museum, Amma Museum and Knowledge Park, but we couldn't visit now inside. Both are closed due to COVID. It was a kind of mega structure and very attractive. Good to see with the latest design and technologies. Peaceful and beautiful place. By entering this place, innermost thoughts automatically stay calm and we feel good. Now you can see the memorial of J Jayalalithaa, the great leader of Tamil Nadu for several years. There is a famous slogan from Jayalalithaa in Tamil, Makkalal Nan, Makkalukagave Nan, which roughly translates to by the people and for the people. You can see that in the memorial. Now we have entered into Aringnar Anna's Memorial, the very old famous place in the Marina Beach. In 1969, the funeral of Annadurai took Guinness World of Record for highest funeral attendance. Everybody knows that a record it still holds. Around his million gathered to pay respects. Such was the respect he garnered among the masses. This place is surrounded by beautiful landscapes with some lush greenery, and this is a vast area to round the whole place. Now we can see the Anna Memorial, locally known as Anna Samadhi, the busiest tourist spot, and this place is highly crowded on weekends also. Next is Kalaignar Karunanidhi's Memorial, which is still under construction and hope will soon be ready. You can see the Chennai's most famous and historic buildings like government offices, public works department, Madras University and others. Also you can enjoy the Marina Beach Road in Chennai. This is Dr. M.G.R. Centenary Arch.